Hello everyone, I am Khan sir. Today I am discuss about the Nobel Prize. You know that this is the very famous prize and number one prize in the world. So please you listen very carefully about this prize and these are the some important questions generally asked from these prize. So see the question here. These are the some important question and these are the some important field given the Nobel Prize every year. See here the physics, chemistry, physiology are the medicine, and this is the economics, literatures, and the peace. These are the important field. Now see about the prize. So there is a one medal given. See here the before 1980 it was the 23 karat gold. Now 18 karat gold plated with 24 karat gold and one diploma and some of the money decided by the Nobel Foundation. Currently it is $1.2 billion. So these are the prize. You must know about this prize. And see here, this is the place of the prize ceremony, and where is a functions organized. You all know about the Norway. Its capital is Oslo, and actually every year of the 10 December announced this prize from here, and after that you see here about the Alfred Nobel, and actually he discovered to the dynamite. This is a highly explosive compound, and nowadays this is used for the constructive purpose and also used destructive purpose by the terrorist. So now see here about the prize, how he led the foundation of the Nobel Prize. So detail is given. Actually his brother was the Ludwig and the for remembering to him he had established this prize, and at that times prize given in the physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literatures and the peace. Nowadays one more added the field of the economics. Now see here some world most famous winners of the Nobel Prize: Nelson Mandela, Albert Einstein, Martin Luther King, Barack Obama, Marie Curie, Sir Alexander Fleming. He discovered the antibiotics, you all know. The Red Cross, Werner Heisenberg, Mother Teresa, C.V. Raman. He is an Indian scientist. In 1930 he had won the Nobel Prize. Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama is a Dharam Guru of the Tibetis, and these are the some famous personalities had won the Nobel Prize. Now see the some important Nobel Prize winner of the 2016 to till now. In physics, see here the name given. Jointly 3 persons had won the Nobel Prize. In chemistry, 3 persons jointly had won the Nobel Prize. In physiology and medicine, he is very famous Japanese scientist. And for peace, you see here this persons had won. And in field of the economics, these two had won the Nobel Prize. In literatures, Bohm Dylon, he is a very famous writer, had won the Nobel Prize. Now see the major controversy about this prize. Actually, this prize actually generally had won by the countries, rich nations, or the nations predominate in the nature. And one is a controversy that Mahatma Gandhi, whose birth anniversary is celebrated as a non-violence, and some his means Mahatma Gandhi's followers had won the Nobel Prize, but still Mahatma Gandhi didn't had won the Nobel Prize. This is a major controversy about this prize. So I hope that my this informations what I given you, you all like, and thank you.